Welcome to our revision of biology preparation for Kcse, and this is biology paper 1, Loreto Limuru Alliance Girls Joint for biology. Let's move to question 1. Name two classes of a phylum Arthropoda with a cephalothorax. In this case, we need to know what is a cephalothorax. And a cephalothorax is a case in which a head and the thorax have fused together, and it happens in some members of classes under Arthropoda, and they form what we call the cephalothorax. So they have two parts, cephalothorax and the abdomen. And the two classes we have Arachnida and the Crustacea. The Crustacea must have a capital letter C. Then the last bit should be EA. Most students confuse or make errors. They write an E at the end after writing EA. That is wrong. Then Arachnida, correct spelling, and A should be capital. Question 2. Explain the role of each of the following forces in the maintenance of transpiration stream. A, we have transpiration pool, and the transpiration pool, evaporation of water from the leaf surface, creates a suction force that pulls transpiration stream upwards. Then we have root pressure, and in this case, as water is forced past the Casparian strip, which is impermeable, root pressure develops, and which pushes transpiration stream upwards. Then question 3, the diagram below represents a female cone, as you can see. Name the subdivision of the plant from which the cone was obtained, and the subdivision is a Gymnospermaphyta. We accept Gymnospermatophyta, Gymnospermia. All those are accepted. Then part B, other than presence of cones, name any other external features that identify plants in the subdivision named in A above, and that is a needle-like leaves. They have needle-like leaves. And before we move to the next question, maybe the subdivisions, gymno meaning naked, they have naked seeds, or the seeds are not enclosed by a fruit wall. Then on the other hand, we have Angiospermia or Angiospermatophyta, in which seeds are enclosed in a fruit wall. And we have two classes under that. That is a class Dicotyledonea and class Monocotyledonea. Where this Gymnospermaphyta, we have three classes under that, and we have coniferales, cycadales, and ginkgoales. Question 4, the figure below shows the number of white blood cells in blood samples from 3 patients. Number of white blood cells per unit area. Patient X 8500, patient Y 5700, patient Z 12500. Explain why the data suggests that patient Z has a bacterial infection. As you observe, Z has the highest number of white blood cells. And remember, these white blood cells are used in fighting of pathogens in case we have foreign materials which in this case can be pathogens. And they increase in number when the pathogens have invaded the body. So patient Z has the highest number of white blood cells, and it should be written as highest because we have the 3. We are comparing the 3. It is a comparative. Then upon infection, more should be there. More white blood cells are synthesized to defend the body against infections. Then part B, Roman 1, name the organism that causes pneumonia, and that is Streptococcus pneumoniae. should have a correct spelling, underlined separately. Genus name should start with a capital letter, that is capital S. Then species name should be written in small letters. And this question tests on principles of binomial nomenclature. How do you write a scientific name